Usually I make a whole big bowl of it.
Are you seeing and hearing things, honey? Do you think that I understand what you're saying when you do that?
Did you remember how good that salad dressing is?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
But don't open yours, just use mine. You can take yours home.
I can't do like you can't fast. Are you able to do this now too? Didn't you practice that?
What's your stepmother's name?
No, it
Renee.
shouldn't be like that.
Huh?
It's just
Renee.
a gentle lowering.
Is
of
she a
the
good
Renee.
cook?
Yeah, she's an excellent cook.
Ah, how old is she?
I don't know.
You're getting too much action on this side.